Alside understands replacement window dealers face unique challenges, including skilled labor shortages and a growing number of time-consuming full-frame replacement projects. Now we have an industry-first solution to address these challenges. Introducing an innovative, patent-pending solution designed to increase productivity and profitability in today's competitive market, while providing the beautiful aesthetics homeowners expect. Discover the Mezzo full-frame replacement system and Trimworks decorative window accents with SwiftLock Technology. This revolutionary system will change how exterior trim is installed on full-frame replacement windows, while significantly reducing the time and complexity required to get the job done. Full-frame replacement is the preferred technique for completing a vinyl-to-vinyl window installation. This method requires completely removing the old window, including its nail fin, and installing a new integral nail fin window. It is essential to properly apply flashing over the nail fin to ensure a watertight seal. Cutting the nail fin on the old vinyl window and completing a conventional pocket replacement disrupts the water plane of the home and can create entry points for water. So why don't window dealers perform full-frame replacements? Trimming out a full-frame replacement window can be time-consuming, difficult, and require experienced, highly skilled craftsmen. Our new decorative trim innovation installs faster and more easily than traditional window trim, giving all replaced windows a consistent, finished look no matter who is installing it. So what are the key components of this new system? The Mezzo replacement window. It has a high-performing, thin-lined frame for maximum viewable glass and superior energy efficiency. The integral nail fin. This provides for proper flashing and water management, combining the best overall value with peace of mind. This is also consistent with new construction building codes related to vinyl window installation. Proper flashing requires an integral nail fin window, weather-resistive barrier, sealant, and flashing tape. The third component is the SwiftLock Technology. This patent-pending attachment method is a faster and easier way to trim out windows, thanks to its breakthrough design. The decorative trim is prefabricated, ready to attach to the window as a single piece, and literally installs with a snap. For dealers, this system is innovative. The custom-made brick mold or casing is manufactured with each window for an exact color match and fit every time. Easier. There's no time-consuming metal bending, measuring, cutting, or mitering needed, which reduces the experience and skill required to properly trim out the windows. Faster. The new window accents can reduce installation time per window by 20 to 40 minutes, saving 3 to 7 hours for every 10 windows installed, which also makes it more profitable. Easier, faster installation means completing more jobs per year with your existing labor, giving a boost to your bottom line. Give your customers the beauty and performance of the Mezzo full-frame replacement system and add decorative custom window trim in a snap, getting your full-frame replacement jobs done faster, easier, and with consistent, high-quality results. For more information or to locate your local Alside Supply Center, visit alside.com/Mezzo.